Software Quality Assurance Crash Course. Quality Essentials. Software. Software is a set of instructions and data used to operate computers and execute specific tasks. It's a generic term used to refer to applications, programs, and scripts that run on a device. Software is the opposite of hardware, which describes the physical aspects of a computer. It can be treated as a variable part of a computer, while hardware as an invariable part. The two main software categories are system software and application software. The last one can be split in two branches: installable software and browser-based software. System software is a program which runs a computer's hardware and provides a platform for other programs to run upon. Users do not interact directly with system software; it runs in the background, handling the basic functions of the computer. This software coordinates a system's hardware and application software so users can perform specific actions. System software executes when a computer system boots up and continues running as long as the system is on. Application software is the program dedicated to perform a special task, such as writing reports or navigating websites. Applications can also perform tasks for other applications. Applications on a computer cannot run on their own. They require a computer's operating system along with other system software to work. Native application is a program purposely built for a particular operating system. In other words, any native application can only run on a specific platform. Native software can normally access all the functionality of the chosen device easily. However, native applications must adhere to the requirements of the hardware devices they run upon. If you need your application to run on another platform, you would have to develop it several times, once for each operating system. Web or browser-based application, on the other hand, is the software which only requires an internet access to work. They do not rely on the hardware and system software to run. Consequently, users can launch a web application from any devices that have a web browser. Since the components responsible for the application functionality are on the server, users can launch the software from any operating system. Hybrid application is a web application that have a native application shell. Once the application is downloaded and installed locally, the shell connects to whatever capabilities the platform provides using a browser that's embedded in the application. The browser and its plugins run on the back end and are invisible to the end user. Quality Essentials. Quality is a set of inherent properties of an object that allows to satisfy needs stated or implied. Software quality is the level of confidence that the software functions in the intended manner. It should mean that the software is free from vulnerabilities, either intentionally designed into the software or accidentally inserted at any time during its lifecycle. Software quality assurance, SQA, or simply put QA, is the constant coordination of the engineering processes aimed to safeguard proper quality of the software and its compliance against the defined standards. Software quality assurance engineer is a specialist focused on ensuring the software quality against the requirements and standards during all stages of the software development life cycle. Quality characteristics. Software quality measurement is a continuous process that must begin right from the first stage of software development and be used till the application's last phase in its life cycle. There are 6 main software quality characteristics. Functionality is the ability of a software to bear specified properties. Functionality embraces suitability, integrity, security, accuracy, and other properties. Usability is the capability of a software to be easily understood and applied. Usability comes over operability, learnability, accessibility, attractiveness, and so on. Efficiency is the relationship between the level of software performance and the amount of resources needed. Efficiency involves capacity, time behavior, resource utilization, effectiveness, and so forth. Reliability is the ability of software to continue functioning under stated conditions over a given period of time. Reliability spans recoverability, availability, stability, consistency, etc. Maintainability is the effort needed to make specified modifications. Maintainability takes in scalability, reusability, modularity, testability, and alike. Portability is the ability of the software to be transferred from one environment to another. Supportability reaches out to installability, replaceability, compatibility, coexistence, etc. Software quality scopes. Software quality testing is the activity aimed at detecting issues in the product. Testing can be performed by a tester or a dedicated team of testers. This process may also include a stage of test planning. Software quality control is a terminal process of issues detection in a product before it is delivered to end users. During quality control, the team of test engineers verifies the product's compliance with the functional requirements. Quality control estimates the product in order to make the final judgment of its quality and, therefore, requires the minimum of testing. Software quality assurance is a planned and integral activity that focuses on meeting all the requirements for a product's quality and further improvement of the system. Software quality assurance is based on engineering processes that guarantee quality in a more efficient way than software quality control. Software quality testing and control are able to detect the major amount of issues in the product, but this doesn't mean that these defects won't take place again. The role of SQA is to re-engineer the system so that further occurrence of these defects won't happen, so in fact it may not include any testing at all. Software quality policy is the basic beliefs that drive an organization to deliver quality in software-intensive systems. It acts like a company constitution informing people's actions when there is no specific procedure to guide them, especially in high-stress situations. Quality policies also identify organizational priorities, separating the critical few from the important many. A policy may also summarize measures of success, for instance, customer satisfaction. Software quality testing. Testing is the process of software analysis in order to detect the discrepancies between actual and required conditions and to estimate the software features. The main types of discrepancies are defects, errors, flaws, mistakes, and exceptions. The scope of software testing often includes the examination of code as well as the execution of that code in various environments and conditions. The primary purpose of testing is to detect software failures so that defects may be discovered and corrected. Testing cannot establish that a product functions properly under all conditions. Testing can only establish that it does not function properly under specific conditions only. Software quality control. Software quality control is the set of procedures to ensure that a software product meets its quality goals and to continually improve the ability to produce software products in the future. Software quality control refers to specified functional demands as well as non-functional requirements such as supportability, performance, and usability. It also refers to the ability for software to perform well in unforeseeable scenarios and to keep a relatively low defect rate. Quality control activities usually include test management, test design, test execution, and test analysis. Quality control is distinct from software quality assurance. Quality assurance encompasses processes and standards for ongoing maintenance of high-quality products, for instance, software deliverables, documentation, and processes, avoiding defects. Whereas software quality control is a validation of artifacts' compliance against established criteria, finding defects. The difference between quality control and quality assurance may be stated as follows. Quality control is a product-oriented activity, while quality assurance is a process-oriented activity. Quality control keeps track on software development results to comply with requirements, while quality assurance traces all the software development processes to follow in due manner. Software quality assurance. Assurance is a positive declaration on a product or service, which gives confidence. It provides a guarantee that the product works correctly as per the expectations or requirements. Quality assurance is a way of preventing mistakes and defects in created products and avoiding problems when delivering products or services to customers. Quality assurance focuses on improving the development process and making it efficient and effective as per the quality standards defined for products. Software quality assurance is a process which assures that all software engineering processes, methods, activities, and work items are monitored, streamlined, and comply against the defined standards. Software quality assurance incorporates all software development processes starting from defining requirements to coding until release. The prime goal of the software quality assurance is to ensure the quality of software products or services provided to the customers by an organization. Software quality policy. Software quality policies are the statements made by an organization to impart its long-term strategic objectives, goals, and vision toward producing and delivering the quality product. These policies state the underlying and core principles of an organization which help it to follow established procedures for the product development and its quality assurance and to constantly strive for the improvement in both products and processes. Quality policies also reflect the crucial values of an organization, including companies' approach to the quality, key areas of consideration and priorities in delivering quality for their customers. Quality policy is written by chief executive officers along with the quality experts such as quality manager to demonstrate their commitment to quality. They also make sure that everyone in the organization has read it and understands its implications. The existence of a documented quality policy is a mandatory requirement of ISO 9001.